Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who have an e-commerce business or planning to have one, I know that it's such a headache to deal with customers who are already following up on their packages of their purchase. So today I'm really excited to show you guys a Shopify app that I use to be able to monitor my shipments and other specifics such as number one, how long is the average time that my customers get their packages? And number two, the shipment status of current orders. So it's going to be easier for me or my virtual assistant to know what to reply to the customers. Plus, I'm going to show you guys a tracking app that you can install on your shop's website so that it will be easier for customers to track their package as well. Just a disclaimer, today's video is sponsored, but the only reason why I agreed to it is because I am already using their service for a long time now. It has been more than 2 years now that I'm using it. And I'm quite happy to tell you guys that I'm satisfied with the service that they provide. So without further ado, I'm going to go to my Shopify account and show you the AfterShip order tracking app that I have on my Shopify store. Alright, so now I'm here on my Shopify dashboard and I just have to click on apps and then click AfterShip order tracking. So now I am here on my AfterShip dashboard and I'll just have to click on shipment to check on the pending shipments of my customers. So as you can see, the shipments are segregated into these categories like exception. Exception means that you have to check it because the customer probably provided insufficient address. So you would have to retry to ship it back. And then if there are failed attempts, like there's no one getting the package, if there are expired shipments, and you would have to ask your supplier about it. Packages that are out for delivery means that they're scheduled to be delivered today, and then delivered packages and pending packages. Pending packages means that the supplier has yet to ship out the packages. If you want to know the average time that the customers receive your package, you can see it here down below on the right side. It says here delivered shipments by transit time. So 1 to 3 days, 4 to 7 days, percentages, 8 to 11 days, 12 to 15 days, and 16 plus days. So as you can see, most of my shipments are being sent out 4 to 7 and then 8 to 11. If you want to have a tracking app on your page, you can also install it. It would look something like this. So it would be easier for your customers to just input the tracking number that they have and then click it on the tracking. So for you to do that, you just have to click on tracking pages and then add tracking page. There's also an option that you can add the tracking page to your navigation, so you can have a footer on your website that can show tracking, and then once they click it, they will be redirected to your tracking page. So to show you guys an example, here's a website that has the AfterShip tracking app installed. So once you go to their website, there's the track order status, and then the customer has the option to just input either their order number or their tracking number, and they will instantly know where their package is. Alright, so last but not least, I know that you would be asking about the pricing, how much would it cost to install this app. Okay, so good news is that they have a free plan. So if your shipments won't go above 50 shipments per month, it's for free. It's really for free, guys. If you're a beginner and having an e-commerce business and running an e-commerce business, it's really nice to try this out so that your website would look professional and that your customers would trust you more since they can easily track their packages. But if your shipments are around 100 shipments per month, then that would be around $9 per month. And then the most popular plan would be the Pro one, which is $199 per month for 5,000 shipments. And then for the enterprise package, for those businesses who have 25,000 plus shipments per month, and it would have a custom rate. So basically, that's it. If you want to try it, there is no credit card required to try this, and you can also try it for free for 14 days, even if you exceed the 50 shipments per month. So that's it, guys. I hope that you find this video very helpful. Again, guys, if you want to try this out, there is a link down below on the description box. And if you have more questions that I wasn't able to address on this video, feel free to comment it down below and I will try my best to answer them. So thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to like this and subscribe for more e-commerce videos. I'll see you again on the next video. Wishing you all success. Bye!